Hey everyone, Aviator 51 here. Today's mission is simple. I just want to go get some cheap gas. I'm also trying new camera angles. Just tune in for that.
Vinci ground, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta at the north ramp with information Mike, we are for departure to the north.
Number 66 Romeo Delta Peachtree ground, runway 3 left taxi via Delta Alpha, crossing 16 on Alpha, advise runway complete.
Taxi to runway 3 left via Delta Alpha, cross runway 34 and right in the company. Ground, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, run-up complete.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, hold short, runway 3 left, Monch Tower.
Hold short 3 left, Mark Tower 6 Romeo Delta. Peachtree Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, holding short 3 left.
Number 66 Romeo Delta Peachtree Tower, for now fly straight out, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, fly straight out for now, 6 Romeo Delta. Fuel pump on, strobes. Rich.
Number 623 Kilo Whiskey, fly runway heading, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 3 left and clear for takeoff, 3 Kilo Whiskey.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, left turn to the north, approve.
Left turn to the north, approach 6 Romeo Delta.
Peachtree Tower, cornerstone, 585, visual runway 3 right.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, frequency change approved to the north.
6 Romeo Delta, frequency change approved. Okay, it looks like my headset's batteries had died. So today I'm headed to find some cheap gas. We're in the Atlanta area, especially northern part of the Atlanta area. So I would highly recommend you check out this port. Identifier is Juliet Zulu Papa Jasper. So pretty neat. Like it's kind of like what you expect from a typical countryside airport. With people who really love aviation, so you can actually folks hanging on the porch of the SBO, probably judging landings, and they don't mind lending you a hand when you need help. So when you pull at the gas pump, don't mind lending you a hand. It's also pretty strong headwinds today. It looks like at least 20-25 knot headwind. So my ground speed here is around 99 knots. My indicated is 120. Flying around 4,300 feet. So airspeed would be a little bit more than that. So today I'm also trying a new camera angle. I actually have a GoPro mounted underneath. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I really hope that GoPro would still be there. So I bought a mount from, the name of the company is the Pilot Pro mount. Make bunch of mount. I found one that you can mount to the tie-down loop. And I also have had problems with GoPros. I have a GoPro Hero 7 and a Hero 6. So both of them at higher resolutions, they tend to overheat and eventually stop working. So I got another 12 minutes to go, about 20 miles. So I can switch frequencies now. Can put the airport is pretty much off to my right. I still got another 10 minutes to go though. So I'm not picking up any weather for Jasper, also called Pickens County Airport. It's a really gorgeous day. I haven't flown in a while now. So airport is about 15 miles to the north. I'm actually coming up on another airport that I usually fly to get gas. It's a Cherokee County Airport, in Canton, Georgia. So I'm coming up on Canton. There's a Cherokee County Airport just right under me. I can actually see the winds are from the north. Should be blowing pretty hard. Pickens County traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, about 8 miles to the south inbound Pickens County. Pickens County traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, about 4 miles to the south. Straight in for 34, Pickens County.
Pickens traffic, Whiskey 9 Bravo Charlie, holding short 34 for the Grumman and for our warm-up Pickens.
Pickens County traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta. We're about 4 miles and doing a ground speed of 80 knots. So if you want to take off, I think you have a little bit of time.
Maybe, thank you. I have another 5 degrees until warm, and then I got to do my run-up test, so you just might beat me. Everything about me is slow motion.
Problem, sir. Pickens County traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, clear off runway 34, Pickens County.